Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. This is your Narsar. Welcome back to the channel. As continuity with the algebraic expression worksheet, we are doing expression with the negative component. Now, every time whenever I say you have to read what is being asked. This is a negative component that they are talking about. Okay, there are two kinds of worksheet. One is an easy worksheet where a single variable is there, and the moderate worksheet has got multiple variable. Okay, by this time you know what do you mean by variables and everything. These are the kind of questions that may come to you. There are different questions. There are multiplication and there are division. Let's look at the one which we will solve. The question that tells me is I have got 3s raised to 13 bracket 9s raised to minus 5. Okay, a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Similarly, if I have got a raised to m into a raised to minus n, what will I do? I will say a raised to m plus minus n. And what will I do? Different sign, subtract and put the sign of a bigger number. That's what I am learning in this. Okay, let me just erase this off. Here, now the question. 9 3s are 27. Okay, that's very clear. S 13 plus minus 5. What will I get? 27. S, different sign, subtract. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Am I right? Yes, 8. Which is the bigger number? 13, positive sign. That's my answer. Alright. Now, let's look at the next one. I'll just try to do this one also. 2x minus 12 divided by 8x minus 5. Okay, let me look at 2 and 8. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Simple. X raised to minus 12, 1 upon 4 x raised to minus 12. When this goes up, what will happen? The exponent sign will change. So this will become into x raised to 5. The negative has changed to positive. Now again 1 upon 4 x raised to minus 12 plus 5, and that is 1 upon 4 x raised to minus 7. Answer key for this question is here. The second video will have multiple variable. All what you need to focus is on the variable, the sign and the law of exponent. Hope you have understood it. Thank you very much for joining. Like it, subscribe it and share it across with your friends. Have a lovely day. Thank you.